I'm working to get a groove in the edge of the top. It's a 1/4 inch groove, and I need it to place this banding in there all the way around. And I'm sure there are power tools that could do this on a router table. I've tried to use a Dremel, but I don't have the right kind of fittings to do this kind of a shape. Now, before I tried one process of making this groove, and I did it all along here, and I used several different chisels to chop that out. But that is a painstaking effort. So what I'm trying now is using a scratch stock, and I'll try to show how that works. I think it works a little bit better, a little bit faster. The first thing I do is create a boundary for that using the marking gauge here. That's a 1/4 inch groove, and this is 5/8, just a little bit fat of 5/8. So I create a boundary cut with that tool, and then I made a little bit of a scraper blade here and sharpened that on the stones. It's a 1/4 inch wide, and it seems to as long as I'm going with the grain, it works quite well. I only need to, it doesn't need to be very deep here, just less than a 1/16. When the grain changes, that makes it harder. And when I mean the grain, I can see the grain coming this way, so it works quite well pulling it. If I tried to push it, that would be against the grain. And right here, I should be able to pull it, but it's dragging. That's good enough. That banding will sit in there nice. Yeah, I don't want to go any deeper, because I want to. Yeah, that'll work quite well.